Everyone, good morning to all of you. How are you all doing? How was the 21 days of yoga? Let me know in the comment section. And today I was just doing my workout. मैं सुबह अपना workout कर रही थी and suddenly I thought, why not film it? So here we go. This is the first episode of home workout series which I do, and this is how I train my body. This series is not just about getting fit or building muscles. I do not believe in that कि जो दिख रहा है वो अंदर से भी उतना ज़्यादा strong है. This series is all about training in a way that helps you to be strong, mindful, flexible and relaxed. Calm at the same time. Right now, most of us are practicing, but still our body feels very tight and very stiff. We are not able to move our body freely and there is no mobility in the body. And if our body is not feeling free right now, then how do we expect to feel that lightness in our body when we grow old? That is why it is so much important to train in a manner that in which your body, your mind feels open, free, strong and alive. So that is why this home workout series is not just going to be an ordinary workout. We are doing functional training. We are with the yogic values. So we are going to be focusing on mindfulness, calmness, breathing, shavasana, and just to adapt how body can move freely. So हम एक range of motion के ऊपर काम नहीं करेंगे. We are going to be moving our joint in all the ways in which it can, right? So that the body starts to feel more open and free. That is how I train and that is how I wish that I can pass it to you as well. Alright, so let's start with the episode 1. Arium, I hope you enjoyed the practice. Alright everyone, let's start the video. आप अपने water bottle, keep a water bottle to the side of you and also this resistance band. In only 1 or 2 exercises will need a resistance band, so it's fine if you do not do it without the band as well. So let's start by warming up the body, alright? So let's just shake our body first. Shake the hands, shake the legs. Release any tension, tightness. Let's take a deep breath in, standing. Deep breath out through the mouth. एक और बार लंबी सांस अंदर, deep inhalation. Exhale, open the mouth and release. Wonderful. All right. Neck up and down. Starting with some warming up, neck up and down. Neck left to right. Now ear drop to the left, to the right. Very nice. Wonderful. Now twist your spine to your right, twist left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Last 2. 1. Come back to the center. Give me 5 squats. नीचे जाएंगे, ऊपर खड़े हो जाएंगे. Bend your knees, lower down, all the way. Stand up. Bend, stand up. Bend, stand up. Last 2 more. Exhale down, inhale up. Last 1 and relax. Wonderful. पीछे की ओर step back करें. Step back with your right leg and drop the right knee on the ground and then join the legs together. Then the left leg, drop, balance and join the legs back. Continue. Right leg and then left leg, right leg and then left leg. Last, each one time each on the right and then on the left. Wonderful. Very nice. पीछे जाएंगे पूरा मैट के पीछे and then all the way interlace the fingers, stretch the whole body. We'll do Tadasana walking. Lift the heels up, walk forward as much as you have this space, and then turn and then walk the other way. Lift the heels up और ऊपर उठाओ और ऊपर उठाओ. Last one round. Go forward and then go back. Very nice. And relax. Now we'll walk like this. Lift the toes up, pull the toes towards you, and then do the walking. Pull the toes towards you, do the walking. Then turn around and then continue. ठीक है? इससे हमारी knees strong बनती हैं, thighs strong बनती हैं, activate हो जाती हैं legs. Last one round. Very nice. And relax. Wonderful. Roll the shoulders front to back. 5, 4, 3. Now back to front. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now one hand. One hand back, one hand front. One hand back, one hand front. Last 5, 4. पूरा पीछे पुश करो हाथ को. 3, 2, 1. Now with both the hands. पूरा पीछे. Open the chest. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Relax. चलो ठीक है. We'll do some burpees now for 30 seconds. Now how do we do burpees? Very simple. You have to jump all the way, drop down. Now jump back, drop down the body, lift up the body, jump forward, jump up. ठीक है? Let's start. 30 seconds and start. Jump down, jump down. Last 20 seconds, come on. जितना फास्ट हो सकता है उतना करेंगे. Last 5. चलो finish this round. And relax. Very nice. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Inhale. Exhale. 30 seconds. Jumping jack. Start. Very nice. Come on, continue. Last 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Relax. Take a deep inhale and a deep exhale. Deep inhale and a deep exhale. चलो पूरा पीछे आ जाओ. मैट अपने मैट के फॉरवर्ड फोल्ड करें. डू द फॉरवर्ड फोल्ड. Walk forward on the mat. Now walk back. Do the forward fold and stand up straight. Do the forward fold. Walk forward and walk back. Forward fold. All the way, stand up. Last round. Hold the plank pose. Hold the plank pose. Hold it here. Bring the right leg forward. Place it outside of the right hand. Very nice. अब right hand पूरा ऊपर. Lift the right hand up. Look up towards the right fingers. Inhale there. Exhale. Touch the right elbow on the ground, on the mat. Inhale again. Open. Exhale. Touch. Last round. Inhale again. Open. Exhale. Drop the right hand down. Drop the left knee. Open the chest. Exhale, push back. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, push back, straighten out the right leg. पूरा push करें, open करें chest को. Exhale, right पैर सीधा. Inhale. Exhale. All right. Now very slowly switch. Left leg comes outside of the left hand. Right leg goes back. Jump and switch. Very nice. Inhale, left hand up. Exhale, drop the left elbow down. Inhale, left hand all the way up. Open the chest. Exhale down. Last round. Inhale, open. Exhale, drop both the hands down. Right knee drop. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, left leg becomes straight. Inhale, open. Exhale, left leg becomes straight. Inhale, open. And then go back. Wonderful. Let's just keep switching the legs for 10 rounds. Right leg, then left leg by jumping. Start. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All the way go back. No worries. Just finish your 10 rounds. If you can go with my pace, go with my pace, or just listen to your body. I always say that. Step into the downward facing dog, everyone. Stretch your hamstrings. Take a moment here. Take a nice deep breath in. Exhale out. Very nice. Let's jump forward and settle down into the Malasana, deep squat. Jump forward, deep squat. Very nice. Let's jump back and settle down पीछे की ओर Malasana में. Yes. Step into the Malasana, to the back of the mat, to the back end of the mat, and then front. Jump forward and Malasana. Jump back, Malasana. जितना higher jump ले सकते उतना लेंगे. Very nice. Let's do 5 more. Come on. 5. Wonderful. 4. 3. 2. Last one. Come on. 1. Very nice. Stay in the Malasana deep squat. This is not just an ordinary practice, okay? It's functional training. We are going to move each and every part of the body, all the muscles. Take a moment, inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Do the forward folding. Wonderful. Hold for 3, hold for 2, hold for 1, all the way stand up straight. Very nice. चलो पानी पी लो, पानी पीना है तो. So we are going to start with the squats. We are going to do different types of squats. Oh. All right. Different types of squats, everyone. 12 rounds of each type. We are just going to do 3 types of squats, 3 types of push-ups, and 3 to 4 types of the core practice for 10 to 15 rounds. So starting with squats, we will do 12 rounds of each type. ठीक है? Starting with normal band one. If you do not have the band, no matter, no worries. आप बिना band के कर लें. You don't use the band, that's fine. Alright, so if you do not have the resistance band, avoid. Just do it without the band. Keep hip width apart distance gap between the legs, everyone. Hip width apart distance gap. Wonderful. We have to go for deep squats. Deep squats. Go down, go up. Go down, go up. Hands forward, go down, deep squat, and then go up. You can raise the heels up with momentum. Inhale, open. Exhale, down. 2, start. Inhale, open, and then down. 3, 4, 5. This is balance as well. coordination, balance, focus on one point. 6. Do not look here and there. 7. Very nice. 8. 9. And the last one. 10. No, not the last one. 2 more. Now the second last. And the last one. All the way. Relax. Chalo, strap हटा लो. Without any break. Second move पर चलते हैं. Right leg goes back. सबसे पहले right leg lift up. Right knee to the chest. Balance, coordination. Then right leg goes back. Drop the right knee on the ground. Then open your body facing towards me. Now we'll do one goddess. Wide squat. Then reverse. Down and then up. And then same process. So first leg comes up, then back, then goddess, then reverse. Alright? Chalo. 12 rounds. Right leg. And start. Balance, coordination. Start right leg up, back, drop, goddess. On your own pace. Second round. Third round. Fourth one. Fifth. Sixth. Come on, halfway. Seven. Eight. Very nice. Come on. 9. 10. Very nice. No pain, no gain. Last 2. And the last one. And relax. Very nice. Let's take a nice deep forward fold. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. All the way stand up straight. Very nice. Let's start. Come on, no break. Left leg up. Back. Drop. Goddess. Drop. And then up. 2. Very nice. 3. 4. You can always keep a wall to the side of you. Whenever you feel out of balance, grab the wall. 5. Come on, just halfway there. 6. 7. 8. 9. Come on. 10. 'Very nice. Last second. And the last one. Amazing. Forward fold. Be proud. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. All right. Come on. All the way. Stand up straight. Let's do the third one. This is the sissy squats now. Now, how do we do the sissy squats, everyone? See, from the head till the knees, one line. So, keeping the hands on the waist, roll the shoulders back. We lift the heels up. You can keep a wall to the side of you, just for support. Then you have to bend the knees, and you don't have to bend through your hips. So you have to keep from the head till the knees one pencil line. The pencil cannot break from the center ना. तो एक लाइन में नीचे जाएंगे ऐसे, and then all the way up, and then give me a deep squat, and then up again. Got it? Okay. Just for extra support, because if you feel like you want to touch the ground and you're not able to touch the ground, then you can keep like blocks here, and then you can touch the block by your knees. You can touch the block. You can keep the block in the second level, or you can keep the block in this up level. This is the highest level. All right, that's on you. Let's start 12 rounds. 12 rounds of the sissy squats, 12 of the deep squats. And we start. Raise the heels up, focus on one point, and bend the knees. Drop your spine back, and then all the way back, up, and drop the heels. Give me a deep squat. Again, second. Go as low as you can with your knees towards the ground. If you are doing it for the very first time, then make sure you have a wall. Keep a wall and then do it. I guess we are on the 5th round, 4th or the 5th round. Let's count it as 5 only. So 6, 7 more to go. Last 6. Last 5. Come on. I'll just take 1 second break. 4 more and start. Three, strengthen your knees, your quads, your calf muscles, your ankle, full legs. Last 2, even your core. You can feel your core. If you place your hands around the core, just feel it gets activated. And the last one. Very nice, everyone. Wonderful. Don't sit down. Don't sit. If you want, you can have some water. Pani pee lo. Do some forward folding. Nice. Chalo, we have to move forward now. 2 push-ups. Drop the knees on the ground. Settle down in Vajrasana, so that even the quads, which got activated so much through the legs practice, Now it will get the stretch it needs, right? Vajrasana. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Now we'll do some push-ups. First 10 rounds, normal push-ups. Those who are working on their push-ups, very first time, you can drop your knees down on the ground and drop the hips low, then go down as much as you can and push up. That's the very first level of doing the push-ups. If you have done knee push-ups many a times, but you are still not able to do the push-ups from the plank position, then you can use a strap. Use the strap like this around the shoulders, around your shoulders, and then the strap will help you to pull yourself back up. So you go down and it will help you to pull yourself up. Alright? I will try to do the normal plank push-ups. 10 rounds. Are we ready? Just do some motion with your hands first. This is the motion happens now when you do the push-ups. So see your back as well. When you do the push-ups, you just try to join the left and the right scapula towards each other. This happens. So do it multiple times. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, relax. Chalo, let's start. A good plank pose or the knee push-ups or with the strap, wherever you are. Give me 10 rounds on your own pace. I'll go with my speed, you go with your speed. And we start. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wonderful. Very nice. Let's do the second rounds of the push-ups. In this one, what happens is you are doing the push-up only. So in all the push-ups, you can just drop your knees or you can use the strap. So you can make sure of that. Now in this second round, second set of push-ups, we are going to go for wide push-ups. Alright? So right now we did normal push-ups with shoulder width apart distance. This time, you're going to give me scapula push-up. Very carefully see. Hands go forward, then hands go back. There is no bend in the elbow. Forward and back. So you can do it in the cat and cow. Down and up. Down and up. Alright? Down and up. No bend in the elbow. You can do it with your knees on the ground if you're doing for the knee, going for the knee push-up. So this is how you'll do. Drop the hips low. Do 2 rounds. 1, 2. Right hand goes more outside. Give me a wide push-up. Again, join the hands together. 1, 2. Left hand goes outside. Give me a wide push-up. Whenever you are doing the scapula push-ups, join the hands. Wide push-up, wide. Join, wide. Shall we? 10 rounds. Alright. Starting with the scapula push-ups. 1, 2. Wide push-up right side. 1. Again scapula push-up. 1, 2. Left side. Wide. Again. 1, 2. Right side. Wide. Again. 1, 2. Left side. Wide. Okay. I'll drop my knees for a second here. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Again. 1, 2. Right side. Push up. Again. 1, 2. Left side. I'll drop my knee. Push up. Scapula push up. 1, 2. Right side. Give me a push up. Again. 1, 2. Left side. And push up. We're just left with the 2 rounds. Let me try doing them in the plank. 1, 2. Come on. Last 2 rounds. Give your best. And push up. Come on, last 2. And the left side. Push up. Oh, I am sweating. Inhale through the nose, everyone. Exhale through the mouth. Let's do some tricep bending. Left hand up. Drop the left hand back. With the right hand, push this left elbow down. Hold. Bend to the right side. Hold. Other side. Let's repeat on the right. Hold. Left side bend. And come back. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. I'm such a believer that you don't have to be a perfectionist, because earlier I used to believe that, once I'm able to do 20-30 push-ups in one go, then only I can start making some videos and I can push people and I can practice with them. Right now, I feel that it happens at the same time, simultaneously, because I can also do that and also improve in my practice. I don't have to be a perfectionist first. That mindset shifted after a long time. But yes, here I am, sweating with you, getting tired with you. I feel that's how we can connect more. I feel that's how you also may be feeling that she's someone like me only who's struggling, right? Alright, moving forward to the last set of push-ups, everyone. This time we are going to go for Dand Ramurti Dand. Okay, you can drop your knees on the ground like this. You can, if your knees are on the ground, आप ऐसे करोगे फिर. Bend the elbows, stay very close to the ground. Inhale up, drop the knees again on the ground, bend the elbows and push back. 10 rounds. I'll start with the downward facing dog. I'll push myself. All right, let's start, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 more to go. Come on, last 5, last 4, very nice, last 3. Yes, we can do together. Wherever we are, we try to give 100%. And the last 2. And the last 1. Come on, nice and strong. I'll try not to drop my knees. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Done with the push-ups. Let's do a puppy stretch here. Drop the hands down, drop the elbows down, and drop the chin down. Let the armpits be very close to the ground. Hold for a few seconds. Don't breathe through the mouth. Inhale, exhale through the nose. But if you're feeling very tired, inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. And relax everyone. Let's go into the baby cobra. For a second here, let's do the baby cobra. Face the palms upward. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Chalo. Without any delay, let's start with the core practice. The core practice, we do 10 rounds. Okay? 10 rounds, yes. I can take this. Okay. So the first round, just see all the 3 sets because we are not going to stop in between or going to take a break in between. तो पहले तीनों rounds देख लें so that हम तीनों rounds को एक साथ कर पाएं. The very first round, you can keep your legs down on the ground as a beginner, or you can lift the legs at a 30-degree angle. Right hand up, right leg up. Oh, both the hands up and the right leg up. Then down. Then the other. Then down. You can drop the legs as well. Then the second one, the second set is bend both the knees towards the chest, lift the body as well up, and then open. Open. Alright, last 10 round. We are going to do the rolling, the rocking. With the bent knees, it is easy. With the straight legs, it is difficult. Hands like this. So you go back, in front. Like a seesaw. You can bend your knees and you can do. Just try that your hands are to the side of the ears only, not forward. Got it? ऐसा पानी पी लेते हैं. All right, everyone. And we start. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 7, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend the knees, lift the body, upper body up. Inhale, open, and then bend. Inhale, open, bend. Last 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, come on, 9, keep your lower back on the ground, and 10. Straighten out the legs. Let's do some rocking here. Go front, back, front, back. Last 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, come on, last one, 1. All right, coming to the plank pose. This is how we end the practice today, everyone. We'll go for 1 minute of plank, and here we start. 1 minute, hold. If you're working on your elbow stand, head stand, handstand practice, you can do this. Walk forward, walk back. Walk forward. Walk back. Just do 2 or 3 rounds. Walk forward. Walk back. Now just hold the plank. Last 35 seconds. Don't push back, everyone. Don't bring your hips up. Come on, last 15. Push. Push yourself. Take nice deep breaths in. Last 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop the knees. Well done. Amazing. Nice deep breath in, deep breath out. Chalo, let's do some cool down. Left leg to the left side. Left hand on the right knee. Go for a side bend. Hold for 5. Hold for 2 deep breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Come back. Other side. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Come back. Butterfly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Go for a forward fold. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Come back to the center. Come on. Relax the legs, everyone. We'll do a few rounds of the Shitali Pranayam, which relaxes and cools down the body, because we have increased so much heat in the body, so it helps us to cool down. Okay? So roll the tongue out, breathe in, look up, exhale through the nose only and tongue inside. Inhale. Exhale through the nose, tongue in. Inhale. Three more rounds. Inhale. Last 2. Last 1. Relax, breathe, inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. 2 minutes of Anulom Vilom, everyone. Make the Vishnu Mudra. Close the right nostril. Inhale through the left nostril. Close the left nostril, exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Exhale through the left. Inhale through the left. Exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Exhale through the left. Continue. All right, everyone, relax. Keep a gentle smile on the face. Namaskara Mudra, and we bow down, touching the head to the ground, being proud of ourselves. Slowly come back. Open the eyes very gently. All right. Now you can take the Shavasana if you feel like you're very tired. You take the Shavasana. Shavasana also always energizes us. So even if the pranayam didn't cool you down, don't worry. Sometimes body needs more relaxation. So you take the Shavasana and just relax the body for as long as you feel like. Okay? And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Leave your feedback in the comment section for more. You can also give me suggestions कि आप इस वीडियो पर, इस टॉपिक पर वीडियो बनाओ या etc. I'm happy to hear your suggestions and love you all. Thank you. I will see you in the next video. Hari Om.